English attack!
Deep within the Shadow Frontier, Lexo starts training to master the ancient English magic, because one day, he must become strong enough to defeat the silent shadow monster. But every new spell brings a harder challenge, and today, the first spell training begins.
Magic is not born from strength. It is born from practice. Are you ready for your training?
I'm ready. Let's go.
When?
Your spell training starts now. Welcome to the grammar realm, where English words become magical powers. Every English spell begins with identity, because English magic changes, depending on who the magic spell speaks about. When the spell speaks about yourself, the magic uses I. Again,
I.
when speaking to another hero, the magic uses you.
You.
Again,
You.
when adventurers fight together, the magic says we.
We.
Again,
We.
when the spell speaks about many heroes, the magic uses they.
They.
Again,
They.
when the spell speaks about one boy, the magic says he.
He.
Again,
He.
when the spell speaks about one girl, the magic says she.
She.
Again,
She.
when the spell speaks about an object, the magic says it.
It.
Again,
It.
these are called subject pronouns. They tell the spell who the magic is about. I, you, we, they, he, she, it.
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 Now resonate with the spell. Let the English magic answer your voice.
English attack, power up. I, you, he, she, we, they, it. I am Lexo, you are brave. He is strong, she is great. We are heroes, they are friends. It is magic, power sends. I, you, he, she, we, they, it. English attack, say the spell. I, you, he, she, we, they,
Good job, Lexo. Now it's time to test your power. Let's go to the arena.
Let's go.
Welcome to the arena. Every challenge you complete will give you XP. The more XP you earn, the stronger you become. Your trial starts now. Ready?
Yes.
Go, Lexo.
Look at the picture and name the subject pronoun. You have 5 seconds to answer. So, what's your answer?
You.
Spell it.
Y. O. U.
Correct.
Yes.
Now the second picture. So, what's your answer?
I.
Spell it.
A. Y.
Not correct. Try again.
You can do it, Lexo. Focus.
I. And we spell it with the letter I.
Correct.
Yes.
Yes.
Next one. So, what's your answer?
They.
Spell it.
T. H. E. Y.
Correct.
Yippee.
Keep going. So, what's your answer?
P.
Spell it.
H. E.
Correct.
Yes.
Continue. So, what's your answer?
We.
Spell it.
W. E.
Correct.
Yes.
You're not done yet. Next. So, what's your answer?
She.
Spell it.
C. H. E.
Not correct. Try again.
O. S. Not Z.
Spell it.
S. H. E.
Correct.
Yippee.
Final one. So, what's your answer?
It.
Spell it.
I. T.
Correct.
Yes.
Yes.
Great job, Lexo. The first spell has been mastered.
Yippee.
For the first time, Lexo's English magic had become stable. 10 XP earned.
Rest now, little dragon. Your training has only begun. See you next mission.
Next mission, the bee spell.